Hello there and welcome to this tutorial, an introduction to Hablame. Here we're at our homepage and we can see the three main activities offered by the site. Interpersonal speaking, which is a 3-minute recorded conversation with 5 speaking prompts and 5 responses modeled after the AP Interpersonal Speaking exam section. We have presentational speaking, which is similar to the cultural comparison part of the AP exam with a 2-minute presentation, which has a 4-minute prep period before. We also have pronunciation practice where users read words aloud from curated sets and Hablame evaluates their pronunciation. Also, at the homepage, we have information for teachers, which includes prompt codes for the interpersonal and presentational speaking activities. And we also at the bottom have the link for the French site and Spanish site. Okay, so let's dig in. Let's look at interpersonal speaking. Okay, here's the page for interpersonal speaking. You can optionally enter a prompt code. You can test your audio and mic. And you should see sound waves once you click that button. Sometimes it'll ask you to allow the microphone. Just make sure you allow that. And also for the best recording experience for this activity, it's recommended that you don't use headphones, so the microphone can record both your response and the audio prompt. Okay, so we didn't put a prompt code in, so it randomly selected an activity, and now it begins.
You will now begin this task.
Ahora vas a empezar este ejercicio.
You have 1 minute to read the preview.
Tienes un minuto para leer la introducción.
Okay, so now it gives us a introduction and a preview to this activity. The student will have 1 minute to look at it. If they have a piece of paper, they can write down some notes. Just prepare themselves for the conversation as would be done during the AP exam section.
Bueno, nos toca representar lo más bonito de nuestra comunidad. Quiero fotos de los lugares más bellos que tenemos. ¿Qué crees que deberíamos fotografiar?
Okay, so once the student hears the beep and sees the microphone turn red, they know they're being recorded. They can give their 20-second reply, and this repeats 5 times, as is an AP exam.
Sí.
Okay, so once activity finishes, the recording is able to be replayed here.
Bueno, nos toca representar lo más bonito de...
And we also are able to download this recording as an MP3 file. So with this MP3 file, you could potentially email it to someone as an attachment. You could, if your school uses Canvas, submit it as a Canvas assignment or through any other online submission program. MP3 is a pretty universal file format and it can be readily shared across almost any platform. So practice another activity takes us back to the home page. So the presentational speaking activity is quite similar to the conversational speaking activity mechanics. There's this home page where a user can enter a prompt code, let's say prompt code 4. They can test their audio and mic, and they can start. It gives them the instructions, a 4-minute period to read the presentation topic and prepare, and 2 minutes to record your presentation. Same countdown.
You have 4 minutes to read the presentation topic and prepare your presentation.
Tienes 4 minutos para leer el tema de la presentación y prepararla.
And very similar, so in 4 minutes, the mic will turn red, it will start recording, the chime will play, they'll have a 2-minute recording, and then they can download that as an MP3 just as they did in the interpersonal speaking part of the website. Lastly, a pronunciation practice where students can practice speaking with proper pronunciation. The website uses machine learning algorithms that have been trained on a Colombian accent to help recognize words and accents. So we have sets of pre-curated words. Let's just go to activity 2, for example. So the user says the word and then click stop recording. They say it incorrectly. Encenar. Siempre. Nunca. Nariz. And that's pretty much the site. Once again, it is available in French as well, these two activities. And if you ever want to contact or have questions, concerns, or want to add a prompt, the email is down here. So thank you, and goodbye.